Hey everyone, love playing computer games, but think building your own PC is too expensive? Well, don't worry, we've got some great news for you. Today, we're going to build a great computer right here in India for just 15,000 rupees. Yes, you heard that right, just 15,000 rupees. Get ready to become a computer expert and build your own PC without spending too much money. It's a fun and rewarding experience. Building a PC is like building with Legos, but for grown-ups. It's a puzzle that you can solve with your own hands. You choose the parts, put them together, and bam, you've got your own custom computer. It's that simple and satisfying. And guess what? It's easier than you think. With a little guidance, anyone can do it. We'll show you how to do it, from picking the parts to turning it on for the first time. Step by step, we'll guide you through the entire process. So whether you're a student who needs a computer for online classes, or someone who loves to tinker with technology, a gamer who wants to play games without spending a lot and still enjoy a smooth gaming experience, or just need a good computer for everyday stuff like browsing the web, watching videos, or working on documents, this budget-friendly build is perfect for you. Let's get started and dive into this exciting journey together. You might be wondering, a budget PC? What can I even do with that? A lot, actually. Don't underestimate a budget PC. It's perfect for everyday things like browsing the internet, checking emails, and watching YouTube or Netflix. Students can easily attend online classes and do their homework assignments. Want to play some games? You can do that too. You might not be able to play the newest games with the best graphics, but you can play lots of fun and popular games like Minecraft, Stardew Valley, and even some competitive games like CS:GO. This PC opens the door to a world of online fun, entertainment, and productivity. Okay, let's see what's inside our 15,000 rupee computer. Processor, Intel Pentium Gold G6400. This is the brain of our computer, and this one is powerful enough for everyday tasks and some light gaming. It's a dual-core processor with a base clock speed of 4.0 GHz, ensuring smooth performance for most applications. Motherboard, entry-level H410 motherboard. This is like the foundation of our computer. It connects all the parts together. It supports our processor and has enough slots for future upgrades, making it a versatile choice. RAM, 4 GB of DDR4. This is the computer's short-term memory. 4 GB is enough for things to run smoothly. While it's not a lot, it's sufficient for basic multitasking and everyday use. Now for the fun part, building our computer. This is where all the individual components come together to create something truly powerful. It's like building with adult Legos, only way more awesome. Each piece has its place, and when they all fit together, it's incredibly satisfying. Don't worry, it's not as hard as it looks. With a bit of patience and attention to detail, you'll get the hang of it in no time. We'll give you some helpful tips along the way to make the process smoother. First, watch some PC building videos online. These tutorials can provide valuable insights and visual guidance. Seeing how it's done makes it much easier. Pause and replay as needed to fully understand each step. Make sure you're grounded to avoid static electricity, which can damage the parts. An anti-static wrist strap is a great tool for this. Take your time, be organized, and look at the instructions for your motherboard. A clean workspace helps you keep track of all the small parts. When installing the parts, be gentle but firm. Each component should fit snugly into its slot without forcing it. Make sure everything snaps into place. Keep those cables organized. This not only looks good but also helps with airflow. Arrange them neatly so the air can flow properly and your computer stays cool. Good airflow is crucial for maintaining optimal performance. Once your computer is built, double-check all the connections before turning it on. This ensures everything is securely in place and ready to go. And there you have it, your very own budget Intel PC ready to go. You've turned a pile of parts into a functioning powerhouse. Remember, this is just the beginning. Your PC can evolve with you. You can always upgrade the parts later to make it even faster. Happy building! Enjoy your new creation and the endless possibilities it brings.